All right, everybody. Well, that's 2 road trips in a row that I've gotten a flat on the way home. I was cooking along on Beltway 8 doing 70 miles an hour with the rest of traffic, and I felt my rear tire, the back of the bike was just kind of shimmying a little bit, and sure enough I picked up a nail, and the ride-on tire sealant apparently gave me a slow enough controlled deflate. But there's the nail right there. That tire is hot, kids. No other punctures. It's just the one. Yep, right there. So there's my nail. So I'm going to pull that out of there, plug it, and put some CO2 patch in there, and get back on the road. I'm only like, I don't know, 8 miles from home. Kind of sucks. Would have been nice if I could have made it there. But definitely not at 70 miles an hour with the back end doing this. Okay, so here I am, sitting in the sun. Of course, there's nowhere with any shade where I pulled off the road here at this Chic-fil-A, so it's going to be sweat, sweat, sweat in the blazing sun, 100 plus degrees. Trying to pop this little thing out of there. It's like a carpentry nail or something. I don't know what it is, but it definitely deflated me. Took the wind right out of my sails. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's a good one. Flat splat. So now, hope that my plug kit does the trick to get me home. Don't worry about the gloves right now. You guys probably aren't looking at much. The CO2 inflator, the cartridge thingy, and my Dynaplug kit. So we'll throw the plug in there. Sorry about the noise. Don't know if you can hear me or not. Not exactly a planned stop here. So here's the hole. There's the plug. And just give her a stabby if I can hold the wheel still. See if you're on camera, hopefully. Okay, stab it all the way through, pull it back out, and it creates that plug just like that. So hopefully that stays put. And I usually just mash the living you-know-what out of them. It's a sticky tar stuff. I just mash it all up in there. As you go rolling down the road, it's going to shear itself off, but you just want it to kind of seal up the hole. And then we use one of these CO2 inflators and hope that it does what it's supposed to do right away, and I don't have to, wrong way. Hope that I don't have to sit out here in the sun any longer than necessary, because the heat here on the pavement's a good 120. It's not friendly. Whoa, got it. Okay, so she's all closed up. Screw this guy on here. I'm trying to keep you on camera. Screwed on tight, and open her up. Turn it upside down, let her go. And it got real cold real fast, and she's really inflated really fast. Okay, close that off and unscrew it. And this is why you want to use the little insulator thing on there, because that thing just frosted up, got real cold. You get a little uncomfortable on the hands. So that's it, literally a 2-minute road patch. I'm a little soft there. I think I'll put a second one in, but holy hell, that tire's hot. By the time I could get down off the highway, it was flat. I was squirming around pretty good. But that was like a mile into me figuring out what the hell was going on, why the belt felt loose. I was like, that can't be a flat tire. No way, that can't be. Half a mile later, yeah, I think I got a flat tire. A mile later, yeah, it's time to get off the highway. That's a flat tire. It wasn't holding a line all that well. Oh no. That one didn't seal well. Well, I got some of it in there. Yeah, that's good enough. That'll get me home. I don't know why that one didn't seal up. Well, see if I can get any more in there. Okay. You can check my tire pressure, see kind of how far I am. Ooh, man, that's cold. Put that back in there. Get out of the sun. Oh my God, I'm melting something fierce. Put all my extra little plugs and cleaners in there. I've never used the little pipe cleaner things. I think that's to clean out the hole, but what good is that going to do you? Okay, whoop, not done yet. Give her a gauge. I don't need kgcm, I need psi. 29.9, look at that. My God, that wheel's hot. Yeah, 30 psi. That'll get me home. I am not worried about it, as long as it doesn't leak down. Okay. Roadside repair. Done. Oop. I guess I'll keep my gloves for next time. And I'll put this nail way over there somewhere where someone else isn't going to run it over. Leatherman back in the pouch. If you don't have a multi-tool, getting those nails out of there is damn near impossible. Dead CO2 goes with me. Okay, I'm going to put all this stuff away, reload the bike, and catch you guys on the way in.